Hi, I'm Jason Phillips, this is Summer Phillips, and we're with Atlas EcoClean. We're based in Delaware and portions of Maryland, and we started this company simply because we wanted to get some independence from our corporate jobs and everything else that's been going on in the world. And we came across this opportunity through Google and searching and stuff like that. Heard about it, being in the trash business myself. I've got some people out there that have been, pounding the streets for me and giving me some new things that are coming about. We came across this great idea of cleaning containers, and we happened to get into it at the tail end of COVID. That's been a big challenge for all of us, as everybody knows, but long story short, we felt that this is a great opportunity in an industry that's in its infancy to move forward and be a huge ambassador to getting the world clean and taking care of everything that we can for whether you're a company or your regular homeowner. All right, starting a solid waste cleaning company means a lot to us. Primarily, we're here to help the planet. With again, coming off the tail end of COVID, a lot of things have happened. A lot of things have really been hurt. Many industries, so on and so forth. We really wanted to dive in and help rebuild the faith and trust of the communities around us, that somebody's out there trying to make a difference in this hard time with the bacteria, the nastiness of the containers and stuff like that. Just really want to push hard to help the planet as much as possible. So what we were looking for in a company that does this type of stuff is something innovative, something different, something that would take us away from everyone else that's doing it. It's still in its infancy as an industry, but we came across EWI because they have different options and different platforms that you can do. So you can clean a residential container, you can clean a dumpster, you can do both, you can do whatever you would like, however you want to build your business model. Yeah. And that went far with us, for sure. We did shop for other competitors when it came to looking for this type of truck. We chose EWI because of the strength of the industry, of their intelligence and their knowledge of the industry. Yeah. Because of the strength of their equipment and its quality, and also its ability to do what others can't right now. Yeah. It's proprietary to their business, and we think that it's an excellent tool to use them because simply their trucks alone do more than most of ours.
All right, we did find with EcoWash Industries, we found not only a company that's going to help us build the truck that we want, we also found a partner, and that's very important to us. With our business, with our other businesses, partnerships are a major thing for us, and we do it with our clients, and we want to do it on the back end with our vendors, and be able to have someone that's going to be there for us when we need them, marketing purposes, for maintenance purposes, for whatever it needs to be. We're going to have that partnership.
So what's important to us in this industry is simply being with EcoWash Industries, and this industry as a whole is in its infancy. So we want to grow with somebody, and we want to grow with a vendor. And EWI is the one that we're going to grow with. We know that we're going to be able to put more trucks on the road, and in 5 years' time, this is going to be the norm. Everybody's going to want their trash cans or dumpsters clean for sanitary reasons, for health reasons, for image reasons. It doesn't matter. And right now is the time to get in, because we're at the bottom floor, and we only got to go up. Yeah. We're at the tippity top of the mountain. All right. Absolutely. We feel like we're going to get a lot of support from EWI. Yeah. Absolutely wonderful company to work with, very professional, and we just see the future as bright as can be with these folks.
Yeah. We will definitely come back to EcoWash Industries to buy more trucks. Our game plan is to have many trucks in our area and on the east coast of Maryland, and this is the place to get them. There's a great partnership there. Again, partnerships are very important to us. So there's a great partnership. The quality of the truck is spot on. So we know that when we come back, we're going to get another great truck. And we love coming out to Phoenix.
One of the biggest things that you need to make sure you do when you're getting into this business or thinking about it is do your research.
Yes.
Make sure 100% you figure out what you're doing, make a plan, and then research accordingly. Mm-hmm. In our case, we wanted to make sure that we did dumpsters and trash containers at the same time with the one truck, and that's what brought us here to EWI. Do your research, make sure you get your marketing plan in place, and it's all great from there.